Welcome back to Toppers World. My name is Praveen Kumar and here I am going to solve true false not given type IELTS academic reading questions, and I have chosen book here Cambridge 13. I am having Cambridge 13 with me. Okay, and the test number is 1 and question from 8 to 13. If you have this book with you, that's nice. If you don't not have, then you can take the screenshot of these questions. So let's read the questions one by one. The first question is, the website www.newzealand.com aimed to provide ready-made itineraries. Itineraries means details of the tour packages. Like if somebody plans to go on any tour or take a tour package from any website, then itinerary means that all the details are given, like what kind of things one can see at that place, what services will be offered, what kind of restaurants there, what kind of attractive places to see there. And packages, this is also keyword here, and one keyword is www.newzealand.com. So sorry. So website newzealand.com aim to provide ready-made itineraries and packages for travel companies and individual tourists. So here it says that the information is about information is there for travel companies as well as individual tourists. So there are two type of customers for the website. That one is travel companies and other is individual tourists. So now the statement is, the basic purpose of this website is to provide detailed information regarding tour packages and all the routes and everything to the travel companies and individual tourists. So let's see in the passage now. Case study Tourism New Zealand website. Our keyword was www.newzealand.com. That is mentioned in paragraph number 2. So we have to read here. A key feature means the main specific thing of the campaign was the website www.newzealand.com, which provided potential visitors. Potential visitors means the tourists that supposed to visit New Zealand with a single gateway to everything the destination had to offer. So means that website provides a single gateway through which the tourists, the potential tourists, the possible tourists can get all the information regarding the destination where the tourists want to go. The heart of the website was a database of tourism services operators, both those based in New Zealand and those based abroad, which offered tourism services to the country. So the information that is given over here, it says that the details are there for only the possible visitors. The details are not there for there is nothing to offer to the companies. The detail of companies database of tourism services operators is available. That is also for the tourists. And here our question says that. So question says that at the website the information is available for travel companies and individuals tourists. Information is only available for individual tourists, not for the travel companies. So the answer is false. Second question is, it was found that most visitors started searching on the website by geographical location. So how they searched information there? By geographical location. So this is our keyword here, geographical location. Now let's find out, is there something written about geographical location or how the tourists search information? Tourism related business, filling, simple, scan. I'm scanning this for geographical location. Any parallel wording is there? Audience, long haul visitors. In addition, participating businesses update details and improve regular basis, information maintained. So I'm not able to find any word that is having the same meaning like geographical location. So there is no such details in this. How the individual tourist search information. So I think it's not given. So before deciding that, we should go for the next question. So question number 9, it was found that most visitors started searching on website by geographical location. So I didn't find any information or any keyword related to for example geographical location or how the tourist visitors search information, but I am not going to take the risk. So how can I decide this, is it not given or not? Then I will try to find out the answer of the next question. If I find the answer of this question and in between I am not able to find any information related to this question, it means that this is not given, because after that I able to get the answer to this question. According to research, 26% of the visitors satisfaction is related to their accommodation. 26% is the keyword here. 26% of visitor satisfaction is related to their accommodation. So 26% visitors satisfied because they find accommodation very nice over there. If I get any detail related to this, and before that I am not able to find any detail related to this, so I will mark this not given. So I try to find geographical location keyword here in the paragraph, and there is no information related to this, and even in the next paragraph. So I already searched that, there is no information, and I'm not now going for 26%. Here the 26% digit is mentioned, so I have to read this now for details. This is important as research shows that activities are the key driver of visitor satisfaction. Activities play a very important role to satisfy the visitors. It means contributing 74% to visitor satisfaction. 74% visitors are satisfied because of good activities over there, while transport and accommodation account for remaining 26%. So 26% visitors are satisfied because of two activities. One is transport and second is accommodation. But our statement says that according to research, 26% of visitors satisfaction is related to their accommodation. So there is only accommodation mentioned. Transportation is not mentioned. So this is going to be false. If the transportation is also mentioned, then it will be true. And I am not able to find the answer of question number 9. Now I can confidently put not given. And question number 11 is, visitor to New Zealand likely to become involved in the local culture. It means that the visitor or tourists who come to New Zealand, they take part in local culture and they enjoy local culture. So local culture is the key word here. So I'm just reading next sentences. The more activities that visitors undertake, more satisfied they will be. It has also been found that visitors enjoy cultural activities. So cultural activities is mentioned here. Visitors enjoy cultural activities most when they are interactive, such as visiting Mary. This is a type of activity. So the answer is true. The answer is true. Visitors to New Zealand likely become involved in local culture. The visitors like staying in small hotels in New Zealand rather than in larger ones. So it is this statement shows comparison. They prefer small hotels than larger ones. So it's a comparison. Visitors like staying in small hotels in New Zealand rather than. So when the comparisons are there, the most likely that the answer is not given. So I am not taking the risk here. We will search it in the passage 2, and I am going to find out the answer of 13th question as well. Many visitors feel it is unlikely that they will return to New Zealand after their visit. So most of the tourists, or many tourists, don't want to go back to New Zealand after their visit or first visit. So they are unlikely. The chances are that they will not go back to New Zealand again. So this is the sense of our statement. So I will try to find the answer, and in between I am also search for the small hotels and larger hotels one comparison. but my 99% perception says that that will be not given. So this is the same paragraph where we found the answers related to 26% and local culture. And now I am going to find out, is there any mentioning of small hotels and larger hotels. You can also see there is crowd, activities involved, only few people, more special, meaningful. No, I didn't find. Now I will check the next paragraph. Yes, next paragraph. It could be argued that New Zealand is not a typical destination. New Zealand is just in a small country. Small word is there, but it is for country with a visitor economy composed mainly small businesses. It is generally perceived as a safe English speaking country. Mean New Zealand is considered as a safe country and people understand English there. With a reliable transport infrastructure, means we have good transportation facilities there. Because of long haul flight, people who come to New Zealand, they have to travel a lot. They have to cover a long distance by flight because New Zealand is very far away from the mainland of Asia. Most visitors stay for longer, 20 days average. The tourists who come in New Zealand, they stay here for 20 days and want to see as much as the country as possible. They want to explore each and every site of New Zealand on what is often seen as once in a lifetime visit. Mostly people think this is their once in a lifetime, means they will not come back here again. And in the previous sentences, I didn't find any mentioning of hotel, small or large. So the answer to the question number 12 is not given, and answer to 13 number question is true. So in this way we have solved all the answers of yes, true, false, not given. I hope you like this video. If you like, then please share with your near and dear ones. Thank you very much.